Hey, this is Overpass Insights. My name is Eric and I make apps. So today I just want to say Happy New Year. Hey everybody, welcome back from the Christmas break. Now I don't have anything to say on this video except for Happy New Year. Happy 2021. Like so many of you, like everybody, I am so glad to see 2020 gone, right? The first video I did last year of the year was, I think it was on the 1st or the 2nd of January 2020. I did a video where I said, this is going to be our year, this is going to be our decade, we're going to go out there and really crush it, I'm going to be more active in this year. My God, look what happened. Look what happened. So I am not going to jinx it. I'm just going to be a very subtle Happy New Year, right? So, I mean, such a bad year last year, right? We suffered like a lot of people did. I mean, no, we suffered, we took our hits, but like not as bad as others did. I mean, we didn't, people have lost their lives, they've lost their loved ones, they've lost their freedoms, they've lost their businesses, they've lost their jobs, lots of loss last year. So I don't, this year it seems like across the board, even on social media, it seems to be a much more subdued New Year's. And that's kind of what I wanted to say today, was just a subdued, hey, what's up? Happy New Year. Happy New Year. I'm not going to, there's not going to be any streamers, no fireworks, no nothing, just Happy New Year, right? So over the next year, we're going to make some changes on this channel, which I just wanted to go over. We're going to start doing kick up the live streams here in the next few weeks, right? We're going to take a few more weeks off just to change things up a little bit. And we're probably going to move it to a new day. We're probably going to do it on Monday nights going forward. So, so for those of you guys who subscribe to the channel, and you do like to show up at those live streams, we're going to start doing it then. The focus of the channel is going to be on whatever comes up in terms of mobile application development and whatever, and business and stuff like that, kind of the same as we have been doing. I started doing these videos back in 2014. I started thinking about it, like, what do I want to do videos about this coming year? And I started it, I think I did my first video in 2014, it might have been 2013, and we've done like 1,200 videos since then. Right? And over the course of that time, we went from focusing mostly on my own applications and the revenue and bringing that revenue up and the daily downloads and ASO, then moving more towards client work and then doing more towards, other types of things. Right? And just that natural progression of stuff. I thought about whether I should just stop doing the videos altogether, but then no, we'll share what we do, right? We have our peaks and valleys, and we are pretty much, I wouldn't say we're in a valley, but because I'm trying to be optimistic about it. But a year ago I was in the office and now I'm in the flat, which is actually way better. In fact, if there's a silver lining to all of this, I think it shows that the indie developer is being an indie developer and being independent as a developer and not having this giant team of people that you have to support is a lot more preferable, because a lot of businesses which did have that overhead probably suffered more than the smaller businesses, which just had to, batten down the hatches and make it through, which is I'm kind of glad about. But I don't really have a whole lot to talk about on this video today. I know I'm kind of rambling on, but I just wanted to say Happy New Year. I hope you guys have a great year ahead. We're going to continue to putting out videos here, talking a lot more. My focus is on the next year. The things I'm excited about at the moment are getting a lot more into Xamarin on the Microsoft stack, Xamarin and Blazor. The Flutter is still really good. We're doing a lot of Flutter work at the moment, so I'm kind of excited about that. I would like to do some stuff with Solar 2D, right? Corona SDK turned into Solar 2D, and I'd like to do a lot more videos about that kind of stuff, maybe get a bit more in tutorials, but who knows? We'll see where it goes. Anyway, let me know what kind of stuff you'd like to see in the channel coming up. Happy New Year to all you guys who subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate you guys sticking with us for so long, and I'm looking, despite all the crap that's out there, I'm looking forward to the year ahead. Anyway, Happy New Year, and I'll talk to you next time.